Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Palo Azul is a roasted tree bark tea, traditionally from Mexico and Central America. People prepare it as a hot infusion or chilled beverage for daily hydration. The brew produces a blue to amber color as antioxidants extract into water. It contains polyphenols, flavonoids, and trace minerals that support general wellness. Many users report a mild diuretic effect that can aid fluid balance. Use Palo Azul as a herbal beverage, not a medical treatment, and monitor personal response over days to weeks. Measure 1 tablespoon, about 3 g, of Palo Azul bark per 8 cups, 2 L of water. Place bark and water in a pot and bring to a gentle simmer. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes to extract color and compounds. Turn off heat and let the infusion steep off heat for 10 minutes for fuller flavor. Strain into a pitcher and cool for chilled tea. Serve hot or chilled and add lemon, cinnamon, or honey to taste if desired. Start with 1 cup daily and limit intake to 2 to 3 cups per day while assessing effects. Stop use and consult a clinician if you notice dizziness, electrolyte changes, or persistent stomach upset. Avoid Palo Azul during pregnancy and breastfeeding without medical guidance. People with kidney disease or on diuretics should consult their provider before using this tea. Store dried bark in a cool, dry container for up to 12 months to retain flavor and potency. Discard any moldy or off-smelling material immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.